Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it's the 18th day of February, and as I make this here at 3:26 a.m., it is raining outside. If I stand right here, I'm getting wet, so I'll stand right here. And what a contrast in the state of Alabama this morning. As I make this early this morning, there is a tornado watch in extreme southeast Alabama, and Haleyville in northwest Alabama has 3 inches of snow on the ground. I would say that is quite a contrast. All right, so here's your weather headlines. After the rain exits early today, some more cold air funnels into the state. Wind chill will be another factor tonight, and during the daytime hours tomorrow, I'll update you on a sunny weekend, and there is a warming trend in the not too distant future. A big pattern change in the United States is about to happen.
Here's what the map looks like at 6 o'clock this morning with the low-pressure storm system near, say, Destin. And look at that ribbon of snow and ice from Texas all the way into the northeast. This is going to be another big deal storm system. By 6 p.m., the front has made it to the southeastern coast. The northeast is getting buried in snow as cold air floods into Alabama again. The big showers and storms, the potent stuff, will be moving out of the state very early this morning. And I think by lunchtime, that last little ribbon of showers moving through central Alabama will finally clear the area, and we're getting into a windy, colder afternoon again. So the tornado watch, as I make this, early in the morning in extreme southeast Alabama and southwest Georgia and the Florida Panhandle will probably be canceled pretty early. The severe weather risk will then shift over into South Georgia and northern Florida today, where there could be a few tornadoes. This has been an active period of time the last few days in that area. Our rain ends early. High temperature around 54. Gusty northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Wind chill will be a factor, especially tonight, with the overnight low temperature down to about 33. Tomorrow, the warm air moves into Florida, but the colder air starts to flood into southeast Alabama, very cold air northwest Alabama, and the frigid air just to the west of us along the Mississippi River. Look at the wind chills tomorrow morning, single digits across northwest Alabama, and even some low 20s into central Alabama here. So it's going to be another cold start, dressed in layers tomorrow morning. The daytime hours will be into the 40s. I've got us around 46 for a high temperature, but the winds will make it seem colder. And then we're in the 20s on Saturday morning, probably mid-20s. Then a sunny, cool day with high temperatures only up to about 54 Saturday. I think after a cold Sunday morning, we'll warm into the 60s on Sunday afternoon, probably low to mid-60s. I got us around 63. Chance of showers on Monday, and then warming trend on Tuesday. Now, this is next week. The polar vortex has retreated back where it needs to be, right over the polar regions of northern Canada and closer to the North Pole, and much of the nation starts to recover finally. So here's the next few days. I've got us at 33 tomorrow morning with an afternoon high in the mid-40s, down to 26 on Saturday morning with an afternoon high in the mid-50s. We'll be in the low 60s on Sunday after a morning freeze. Slight chance of showers, 30% on Monday, then mid-60s on Tuesday. That looks like a nice day, and that's the start of a remarkable warming trend, which will continue all next week. So there we go. We've got the temperature crash for tonight and tomorrow. A couple of mornings around freezing or below. Nice warming trend beginning on Sunday and continuing all through next week. And eventually we'll be up near 70 probably by later on next week. This is an interesting map. Current snowfall on the ground across the USA. Just the other day we reached a record of 73.2% of the nation with snowfall on the ground, and that has never happened before. I mentioned earlier that Haleyville, Alabama has 3 inches of snow. You see that snow ribbon in extreme west and northwest Alabama. What a winter it has been.
Still raining out here this morning. Hasn't been real heavy, but it will be persistent through much of the morning hours. Though we'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. You'll also find us on Channel 8, Channel 32. Their morning program is Alabama Rising. There will be another video for you. First thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. when it will be quite blustery out here. I'll probably be wearing something heavier than this. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. All right, that's all I have for you. Have a good one. Warming trend soon. Stay tuned for that.